Uh, Ma'am, I can hear you clearly, but I will try, ma'am. Okay. Hi, ma'am, madam. My name is Nori M. Mondala. I'm 36 years old. My birthday is April 4, 1976. We are eight in the family. I'm the seventh child. And I'm a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Biology. I am married with Arnold S. Mondala. We have two children, a 15 years old girl and a 10 years old boy. Um, I'm currently working here in Hong Kong for 2 years and 4 months, ma'am. I do take care of a baby girl. She was 2 months old when I came here in Hong Kong, and I'm until now I was the one who take care of her, and now she's going to school now. Uh, I'll do all the household chores in the house. My duties are cleaning, cooking, marketing, and that's all, ma'am.